In the fast-paced world of enterprise software, staying ahead of the curve is essential. To help you maximize productivity and efficiency, Punditas AI brings you the Enhancements tab, a gateway to the latest updates, tailored specifically to your chosen product like PTC Creo, Windchill, ThingWorx, OnShape, etc. The Tips and Tricks module is your go-to resource for helpful insights, tutorials, and updates for a wide range of products. It's divided into 3 useful tabs, each tailored to enhance your understanding and application of these tools. The Enhancements tab is your centralized hub for curated updates and improvements. Whether you're using PTC Creo Parametric, Windchill PDM Link, SolidWorks, or any other supported software, this feature delivers meticulously selected enhancements, including new features, improved functionalities, bug fixes, and performance optimizations. Stay informed and maximize your software's potential with the Enhancements tab. By monitoring the Enhancements tab, you can stay informed about the latest advancements in your software. This proactive approach ensures you're always leveraging cutting-edge features, enhancing your expertise and maintaining your competitive edge. Enhancements tab in Tips and Tricks comes with 10 random enhancements which allows users to expand their knowledge about the chosen software from the CAD, PLM, augmented reality, virtual reality, Internet of Things and more. Here Enhancements tab is showing new feature, enhancements, improved functionalities about the PTC Creo Parametric. Each enhancements comes with topic summary, module name and description as shown here. Click on Read More button and check detailed description about the latest enhancement. Each enhancements comes with the hyperlink back to the source site. Click on the hyperlink and review enhancement on source site. Click hyperlink on PTC Help Center. Tags are a powerful way to organize and find content. Punditas AI is allowing user to create tag or label the enhancements. Click on the Tag This to tag enhancement. Insert the tag name inside the text box. Click on the Add Tag button or hit the Enter button from your keyboard. Tag has been added successfully as displayed here. Punditas AI also includes a tag cloud, visually displaying all associated tags with their frequency. This provides an overview of the most relevant topics, helping you discover content efficiently. Click Tag Cloud with all the system-generated as well as user-created tags. You can use Punditas AI's Tips and Tricks module directly within PTC Creo Parametric. Stay updated with both major updates and minor tweaks to fully leverage your software's capabilities. Regularly monitor the Enhancements tab to maintain a competitive edge. Punditas AI curates relevant, actionable updates to reduce inefficiencies and accelerate project completion. Real-time access to enhancements keeps you aligned with industry standards and promotes continuous professional growth. Stay updated with new features, bug fixes, and performance boosts. Enhance productivity and speed up projects. Adopt new features early to stay adaptable and aligned with your goals. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.